What's up? Dovahkiin Aliamosis. I changed my name and I can't even say it. Ultimate face pump. That hurt. Anyway, thanks everybody for 30 subscribers. I don't think at the time of this video it is but Jesus, it is 104. Brothers watching some television. My knees are not very balanced. Thank you. But thanks all you guys for 30 subscribers. I have a certain thing for the 30 subscriber thing in the description of this video. Look in the description of this video for if you have a tablet, Android specifically, if you have Minecraft 15.0 or 15.1, if you have 15.1, download this. It's called the toolbox. Basically turns your Minecraft into, basically gives the ability to make your Minecraft your own personal thing. Everything is changeable, everything is mix-aroundable. Everything is mix-aroundable. I mean, I'll give y'all a video on it later, but if y'all want that, that's going to get annoying. But if y'all want the toolbox, download link, and you want to see a video going over the toolbox, leave a like, and, well, if y'all want the link for the toolbox, let's try to reach 5 likes and 2 subs, which will make it 35. If we can reach 35 subs and this video gets 5 likes, I will release the link as in editing the description, and I'll put it in the comment section. I don't know what that's gonna do, but try a different way. Lighting. Here we go. I still watch TV to do this. I'm sorry, but if y'all want that, leave 5 likes. Leave 5 likes and let's get to 35 subscribers. And I'll comment it down in the description. And I'll change the description and put it down there. Did I just say put a comment in the description? But leave a comment in the comment section down below. Like I said, I'm being redundant now. Get 5 likes and 2 more subscribers, and I'll release it. And that's all. If you liked it, like, comment, subscribe. Like I just said, my hair is going all wacky. And I'll see all you dudes later. Bye bye.